Good morning, friends. Today I am here with Stars and Solar System, part 3 of 8th standard. In this session, we are going to discuss about asteroids, comets, meteors, meteorites, artificial satellites, and application of artificial satellites. So let us start the session. Between Mars and Jupiter, there is a large gap, and this gap is occupied by a large number of small objects that revolves around the sun. So these small objects which filled the gap between Mars and Jupiter are called asteroids. Asteroids can only be seen with the help of large telescope. In the given figure, you may observe asteroids between Mars and Jupiter. In this figure, you can observe the movement of asteroids. Now our next topic for discussion is comets. Comets are also one of the member of our solar system that revolves around the sun in highly elliptical orbits. But the period of revolution is very long. A comet appears generally as a bright head with a long tail. The length of tail grows in size as it approaches the sun. The tail of a comet is always directed away from the sun. Comets are known to appear periodically. There is one Halley's comet, and it is a known comet that appears after every 76 years. Halley's comet was last seen in 1986. There is some superstitions about the comets. Some people think that comets are messengers of disasters like wars, epidemics, flood, etc. But appearance of comet is a natural phenomena. In Hindi it is called as Dhumketu or Ulka Tara or Puchhal Tara. Here you can observe the comet having head and tail. It is also showing different comets. Now let us discuss about meteors. Sometimes at night when sky is clear, then bright streaks of light is seen in the sky, which is called meteors. Meteors are also called as shooting stars. A meteor is usually a small object that occasionally enters the Earth's atmosphere in a very high speed. The friction due to the atmosphere hits it and glows and evaporates quickly. In the given figure, you can observe meteors. It is also about meteors. You can observe here bright streaks of light. Now we will discuss about meteorites. Meteorites are those meteors which are large. So they reach the Earth's surface before they evaporate completely. Thus the body that reaches the Earth is called meteorites. Meteorites help scientists in investigating the nature of material from which the solar system was formed. In the given figure, you may observe falling meteorites, and you can see here it looks like stone. Here also you can visualize meteorites. Now the next topic of today's session is artificial satellites. There are a large number of natural satellites that revolves around the planet. But there are artificial satellites also, which are made by human being and are launched from the earth. These artificial satellites revolved around the earth much closer than the earth's natural satellite, that is the moon. India has made and launched several artificial satellites. Aryabhatta was the first Indian satellite. Beside Aryabhatta, other Indian satellites like Ncert, IRS, Kalpana 1, EduSat, etc. are also launched. Here you can observe Aryabhatta. It is about EduSat. This is Ncert. Here it is IRS. This is the picture of Kalpana 1. Now it is about application of artificial satellites. Why they are launched? What is the benefit of artificial satellites? There are a lot of application of artificial satellites. Artificial satellites are used for weather forecasting to know that which type of weather is going to be. It is also used for transmitting television and radio signals. They are also used for telecommunication and remote sensing. So this is all about today's session. Thank you. For any kind of doubts, please write your questions in comment section.